here, design team member with Stamp Anything. Welcome to day 3 of our May release. Happy Friday. Before we get into this video, I just wanted to let you know that there is an Equality for All card today, but since it is not using Stamp Anything products, it's on the Jolly Fat Elf channel. So I will have that video listed in the description box down below if you want to check it out. And you can check out I'll try to remember to leave the intro video for you guys. A friend of mine and I started a collab called Makers for All, and we are doing a Pride collab until the end of June. Highlighting, spotlighting Pride themed cards because of the literal war on LGBTQIA plus community members in the US over the past few months. It's really gross. I hate it. But all we can do is just raise our voices and try to get it to stop. So I am posting videos here and on the Jolly Fat Elf channel, but since this was a release week, I decided to do a card for that channel. So it will be linked down below, and you can also join us if you're interested. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you Kevin. Kevin is our last chibi mermaid for the week. This turned out so cute, and if you don't know who Kevin is, I encourage you to join the Facebook group. He is the marketing director extraordinaire, and he's uber talented, snarky AF. He's so much fun, and I think you will really enjoy not only his humor, but his crafting style as well. So Anne made him a mermaid, and I absolutely love it. So I'm gonna introduce you to Kevin. I'm gonna go over the rest of the release, and I'm gonna share with you today's design team project. So yeah, so without further ado, let's head over to the craft table, and I will share with you Kevin, the mermaid. All right, day 3, friends. This features our resident marketing manager, Kevin. So Kevin, you're mermazing. So you have your mermazing, and it's official. I swear to you, Anne can come up with puns on the fly, and it's so much fun. I wish I had that ability in my brain because I love it. So it's official. You're mermazing. You can do that. And then here's Kevin. He's got a couple of either bubbles, or these could also, like this could be a pearl. So his outline die contains both. So let's take a peek at all of it together. So I'm going to bring back in that brown. This is actually flocked paper. I think they call it velvet paper, but that's why it looks like it does. So this is the Sunken Ship stencil. And again, it gives you waves, it gives you the ocean floor, you get a stingray, a ship, and then some kelp. Is that kelp? I don't know. I don't live near the ocean. I wish I did. I love the water. I would be a happy fat girl if we lived by the ocean. Next, we have the Enchanting Word die. We have the Bubble Card Mat die. We met Adelia. We met Athena, and then we met Kevin. So yeah, that's it for the May release. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate you. Again, I'm a broken record, but if you are interested in any or part of this collection, be sure to check out Stamp Club. There are 3 levels. You can either just get the stamps, you can just get the stamps with the dies, or you could get all of it, along with various different discounts, free product, etc. What else do I need to tell you? Oh, there is going to be another Equality Makers collaboration card. I'm not sure if it's going to go on this channel or if it's going to go on the Jolly Fat Elf channel, but if it's not on this channel, I will link it in the description box down below. But yeah, that's it. So thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate you. Let me know which one's your favorite mermaid or what you're most excited about from this release. We love to hear from you. Be sure to follow us on Facebook. Check out the release. I have a link that takes you to the entire release so you can pick up what you'd want. And again, there is a link for Stamp Club, and Stamp Club is open internationally. All right, friends, I love your faces. I will see you next Friday for our first Fanny Friday using this release. Bye for now.